Let's check out 10 awesome tactical military gadgets. We'll look at their features, uses good points, and prices that'll surprise you. This video continues our tactical military gadgets series as part 2. After watching, you can find part 1 in the description below. Black Hornet 4 Nano-Drone. The Black Hornet fits in your palm and helps with ISR missions. It has a 12 MP camera for daytime use, a sharp thermal imager, and can fly for over 30 minutes. It reaches up to 3 km away, handles winds up to 46 km per hour, and can navigate without GPS to scout tight spaces and spot targets. It has a quiet low signature, 20 decibel at 30 meter, sets up 20 seconds, and avoids obstacles. Each unit costs about $50,000, with $25 million in contracts. TALON EOD Robot. The Talon moves on tracks and works in dangerous areas. It has an arm that moves things, HD video cameras, can carry 200 pounds, runs for over 4 hours, and uses secure communications to deal with bombs and scout areas. Its good points include keeping people safe by working from far away, different tools you can switch out, and exact control with a joystick. Each unit costs around $200,000. What military gadgets do you like best? Black Hornet 4 Nano-Drone or TALON EOD Robot? Tell us your pick in the comments. Guardiaris SAMT Simulator. The Guardiaris serves as a portable small arms trainer. It has an influence on ballistics through AI, projects 3D terrain that can scale, gives haptic vibration feedback using modular floors, and allows up to 4 users to train together in squad marksmanship and stress drills. Its strong points provide realistic battlefield experiences with instant analytics, reviews after action, and quick mobile setup in trailers that can expand. Each system costs about $100,000. ThunderBullet ELO-5220P. The ThunderBullet locates gunfire with optical and acoustic AI sensors. It boasts 1% accuracy and few false alarms. This system detects threats in a 360-degree radius in urban and noisy settings. It protects armored fighting vehicles, and tanks and infantry can carry it as a backpack. This device spots multiple shooters. Users can mount it on vehicles and integrate it with remote-controlled weapon station. It combines data from various sensors. Each unit costs about $30,000. The next upcoming gadgets are hard to believe they exist. Stay tuned with us. Active Denial System. The Active Denial System is a millimeter-wave directed energy weapon for non-lethal denial. It fires a 95 GHz beam that heats the skin. The beam has a range over 500 meters and an adjustable width of 2 to 3 meters. People use it to control crowds and defend perimeters. ADS has several benefits. It can reach targets from far away without using bullets. The beam affects all targets the same way. It causes injuries, less than 0.1% chance. Each unit costs about $5 million. PHaSR Laser Rifle. The rifle is a handheld weapon that dazzles targets. It uses 2 lasers with different wavelengths. It also has a rangefinder that's safe for the eyes. This weapon can disorient hostile crowds for a short time. Troops can use it to protect themselves. Its advantages include a portable design for one-person operation, temporary blinding effects that don't cause lasting damage and follow you in guidelines, and exact targeting without permanent injury. Prototype models cost about $10,000. If you like the information we shared, give our video a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Pulsar Spectrum Analyzer. The Pulsar helps detect RF threats in electronic warfare where the electromagnetic spectrum is contested. This small device scans frequencies from 300 MHz to 6 GHz in real time and deploys countermeasures to quickly identify signals. Its advantages include quick threat detection in 1 second within a 5 km range with accuracy up to 3 degrees, adjustable directional and omnidirectional modes, and a portable design rated IP65. The price makes it affordable to integrate into tactical setups. MIRA Safety CM8M Mask. The MIRA serves as a chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear respirator. It features a shaped panoramic visor made of polycarbonate offering a 92.5% field of view. The mask includes a speech diaphragm that allows for 95% speech clarity. It also has modular NATO 40mm filters, making it suitable for hazardous material operations and entering contaminated areas. Its good points include complete awareness of surroundings with night vision and heat sensing gear, easy to wear for long periods thanks to its rubber and 6-point strap, and wide-ranging defense against industrial chemicals and chemical weapons, all at a price that works for tactical needs. Rafael Spike Firefly. The Rafael is a small flying bomb that can hang around in the air. It's made for exact hits. It has 2 cameras, one normal, one heat sensing. It can lock onto targets by itself, but a person can still control it. It can fly 500 meters in cities or 1.5 km in open areas. It can stay in the air for 15 to 30 minutes perfect for hanging around cities and then striking. Its strengths include a 350-gram warhead that breaks up for wider impact, the ability to strike targets out of sight using live video feeds, and pinpoint accuracy with quiet operation plus options to stop or come back. Anduril Lattice. The Anduril serves as an AI-driven control system for managing spread-out operations. It combines data from many sensors to create up-to-date maps of the battlefield. This system can spot threats on its own and speed up the process of taking action, which helps teams understand what's happening more. The system shines in how it can work with different air, ground, and sea tools. It makes choices with some independence while keeping humans in charge. Its easy-to-use design means operators have less work to do. Teams can set it up through software, making it easy to change plans as needed. These tactical gadgets have an impact on battlefield control. Hit the like button, tell us your top pick, and subscribe now.